Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Roshan, and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check how you can learn the Jira software, and it is absolutely free. And friend, this software is used for the project management, and after completing this course, friend, you will also get this type of certificate, and this certificate you can use in your resume and in your LinkedIn profile also. So friend, if you don't know about the Jira software, let's check it. So friend, you can see here Jira is a product of Atlassian company, and friend, it allows bug tracking, issue tracking, and agile project management. So friend, basically this Jira software used for the project management and also in the software development lifecycle. And you can see here, Jira is used by large number of clients and users globally for project, time, requirement, task, bug, change, code, test and release and sprint management. So friend, it is very good opportunity for you to complete this course and get these certificates, and anyone can enroll in this free certification course, whether you are the college going students, already the working professionals, or the candidates who want to make their career in the software development or in the project management field. And friend, also if you have interest in Scrum Master, then you can also learn this Jira software. So friend, let's check it. So friend, let's check the first question, that what types of jobs can you will get after completing this Jira certification. You can see with the Jira certification you can pursue roles such as the project manager, Scrum Master, Agile coach, software developer and quality assurance engineer. So please keep these roles in your mind before learning this software. So you can see here, this free introduction to Jira course is provided by the Simplilearn by Skillup, and you can see the course rating is a 4.3 is given, and here you can see you will learn how to install Jira on Windows and understand components and discover their various features. And friend, this course equips you with the essential knowledge and to navigate the Jira platform effectively. So let's check it. So you will learn here various types of skills like Agile Methodologies, Jira navigation and their workflow, project management concepts, dashboard and reporting, and monitoring and troubleshooting. So you can see here, they have also given that who should learn this free Jira training, like project manager, Scrum Master, product owner, software developer, and business analyst. So let's check what types of modules you will learn, and after we are going to check the certificate requirement. So the first you can see there is an introduction section, and in the next module you can see you will learn what is the Jira, then how to install Jira and with some tutorials, and then you can see Jira interview questions also you will learn here. And friend, you can see here that this course is consists of self-paced, and it is a 1 hour course, friend. You can see at the right side is given, and also you will get the completion certificates, and you have the total free access of 90 days, so you have to complete it within 90 days. So friend, how you are going to enroll in this course? For that you have to click on the start learning, and once you click send, then this type of window will appear. So here you can see multiple options are given for the registration purposes. So for you have to select anyone. So we are going to check through sign up with email, and then you have to provide your first name, last name, your email address, then you have to select your country, then you have to select your number in which you will get the OTP. Then you have to create one password, and you have to create your account and register yourself, and then you have to simply log in and complete this Jira certification course. And friend, if you have any question in your mind that related to the Jira, please comment on the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe our channel Roshan.